Welcome back for another quick tutorial with your instructional coach, Leslie Johnson. So, emojis, everyone uses them, so we should too, right? Yes. Now, you can even use them in Google Classroom. I think we all know how to use them when we're just typing and whatnot, but this works no matter where you are. I am going to right click, and the first option is emoji. When I use that, it tells me what I've used recently. I could search for something. I can kind of just flip through here to see what are the options. But if you keep typing, like I just did unicorn, I find the unicorn face. I click on it. I have my unicorn face. If I want something else, let's do happy. Here are my options for happy. So I am going to put my grinning face with smiling eyes that bears the teeth, plus a happy cat, just because this particular assignment is all about using emojis. And then as soon as I'm done, I just click this red X and it's gone. The same works down here in the text box, emoji. Let's do goal hands, right? Woo, or what do they call it? Raising hands. That's what I like to use for goals. So easy, right? Just remember to right click, and then all of the emojis are at your fingertips.